So hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to achieve the slide to delete functionality in Flutter. To do that, I have created this project from scratch. So what I'll do is that I will remove all the comments from here, clear up all the extra things here, and in the title I am going to set dismissible demo. Also I am going to remove the body content, also this floating action button, and we are pretty much done. Now what we want is that we need to create a list, right? If we want to delete something, then we need to create a list. So for that I am going to create the list of string and name it as items. And in that items I am going to write list.generate. List.generate, I will give the length of 10. Yes, that's correct. And each item will be a string item space index. So the items will be item 1, item 2, item 3, just like that. I am also going to write comment here. This will generate a list of item 1, item 2, and so on. So yeah, we have the list here, okay. So imagine I want to delete the item, maybe item 3 from there. So to achieve that functionality, I am going to write in the body listview.builder. Now we have created this listview.builder in the earlier video. In one of our earlier videos, you can see it from here. I am going to write item builder, context, index, and inside it, I am going to return a dismissible widget. It will ask us for the key. So inside the key, I am going to write, so basically key is that which item you want to remove from that list. So I am going to write items and inside the bracket index. After that, I am going to set the child as list style widget just because it is simple. You can use any other widget you want. And inside the list style, I am going to set the title as text and inside that I am going to write items index. After that, dismissible widget also takes on dismissed method. So I am going to set it as a bracket inside which I am going to give direction. You can write any other thing you want. And after that I am going to set the setState method as items.removeAt. And inside the bracket I am going to pass the index. So basically removeAt is the inbuilt method provided by the list. Now we also need to give the direction here. Inside the direction I am going to write dismiss direction.end to start, and I am going to run it in the Chrome just because it is easy, okay. It starts pretty fast. So if your computer is slow, then you can test your applications until a certain point in the Chrome. But wait a minute, it is giving me the error which is index out of bound. Okay, that is because I haven't given the item count method inside the listview.builder. So I am going to set it as items.length. So now it should work. So let's see that. And also for the safer side, I am going to wrap the listview.builder inside this safe area widget. So I hope it should run now. Okay, so now you can see that it is running perfectly. And on swiping from right to left, which is end to start. So basically the starting side is the left one and ending side is the right one. So when I swipe the item from right to left, then it is removed. Now we can also change this dismiss direction and set it as start to end. So what it will do is that we can swipe the items from left to right like this. There are multiple methods provided here. Now let's try the dismiss direction.up. Okay, it is working. And now if we remove this dismiss direction, you can see that we can remove the items in either ways you want. Okay. So yeah, this is how the dismissible widget works. I hope you understood the video. If you like this one, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you all in the next one.